What's up everybody, how are you doing? In today's session I'm going to explain you how you can use the Python to automate or to work efficiently to save the time. So basically I was in my chartered accountant articleship and I was given an Excel file which was containing a bunch of 150 GST numbers, and what I have to do is that I have to just go to the GST site, just enter the GST number, just enter the captcha and just scrap the data like the place of business, or whether the assessee is under or registered supplier is under, we can say that a regular scheme or composition scheme, or whether the same is active or cancel or suspended. So it took me almost one day to do the job, and when I came home I just realized that is there any way to automate something. So I just came across with the language Python and I did some research and I just built a code. I will show you the code. So the code is here, the name is GSTIN search and copy. So I have did this code, and this code will automate everything. The limitation of this code is that you need to enter the captcha manually. For that you can also bypass the captcha through Python, but the problem is that once the site recognizes you, it might ban. So it is always important to use a VPN before bypassing a captcha. If you also want to get the logic behind this code, let me know again in the comment sections, as in this video I'm not going to explain the logic. I will just show you the overview. Here I have just I have just imported some modules. Here the WebDriver is there. I have given the path of the WebDriver. Here the site which we are going to target. Here we are going to target the GST search site. So here is the target. Here is the input file. I will also show you the input file which will contain the bunch of GST numbers. Right now for this sample I have just taken into consideration only 3 GST numbers. Then it will scrap the data, and again I have scrapped only 3, that is the registration status, type and the address, that is nothing but the place of the business. And here you can see the output file which will be generated and which will contain all this scrap data. So let's just begin. Let's just run this code. Again, one more thing that should be taken into consideration is that since the Python is accessing this Excel, we need to close this first, and I will share is don't save, and I will just run this. Let's see whether the Python is doing its job or not. Okay, it has opened up the edge, it has gone to GST, also it has maximized the window. Now it will enter the GST number. Okay, it will wait for us to write the captcha. I will here write the manually captcha. It will submit. It will do this job for 3 GST number, as this is the concept of looping. It will loop every number of the times GSTN has been entered in Excel. Now once it is scrapped, it will again ask me to write the captcha. As you can see, it is automating, or it is scrapping the data, that is nothing but the active GSTN status, taxpayer type and the principal place of the business. Now here again it's last asking for a captcha. So once the job will be done, the Python will automatically close this Microsoft Edge, and we will see whether the output Excel there is any, and whether, okay, it has closed this. Let us see whether there is an output file or not. Yes, we have the output file. Let's just check this. Okay, as you can see here, there is a serial number, there is a GST number which is the same like the input file. There is a registration status, that is an active or regular. This is active or composition. And here is the regular one, and here is what we call as an address. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you want to get, or if you have any queries, put this in the comment section. I will solve this query as much as possible. And also if you want to get the logic behind this code, let me know. And as far as captcha is concerned, I am working around that to release one more version of this code which will automate the captcha. Thank you so much.